let me go over to the MNQ, and then I'm going to show you some stuff I did yesterday that frustrated the hell out of me. And luckily had a, hold on. Uh, oh, did I not save it? So here's work I did yesterday, and this is why I was kind of not liking what Mitch was talking about in the 15. You guys can see I had a rally, a base, a drop. I did a couple of contracts here, like something small, no big deal, like nothing, I was the same idea I just had before, why I'm a little bit bitten by it. Stopped out, price comes down, goes back up. And then I did notice this as an area I was interested in. Now, here was my thought process, and this is again about the market being frustrating. We got this move down. I've got the rally base drops. I got a reversal pattern, which I don't see that often. So like I had a little bit more bias to that. This area was in the middle of this swing down. I was like, okay, I'm just going to avoid that. These two are my trades. Okay, decision making was a little bit wrong on this one. Okay, but it's going to happen. Um, and luckily, I did have a nice trade on micro Bitcoin that kind of saved my day, but not exactly like I said, not nothing I want to brag about. Oh man, what did I do with it? Hold on, sorry. All right, so just a little larger. And I had that short on micro Bitcoin and this long wasn't, I didn't like that pause, but I was like, okay, well that whole thing is a rip higher. Let's see what happens. And I was talking to I don't know if I should share the whole thing, so I gotta just go back and forth. This trade went really, really well. I was super happy with it, especially after that frustrating MNQ trade. And take after a one loss, sometimes the next trade is the hardest one. A day apart, I'm usually I have a reset, but the same day sometimes like because you don't want to go on tilt, you don't want to lose like your behavior and all that kind of stuff. So I just wanted to share sometimes, as long as you're following your rules and your plan, getting the money back the same day is usually pretty good. And it was funny. I had a interchange with somebody yesterday. It's like, well, that trade took a long time, and I was like, and like, it took an hour. What's the big
Sounds
deal? We had a friend who was a trader, and he needed his trades if it was in it longer than 30 seconds. He was pissed off and like complaining in our trade room when we were just getting started at this craziness.